Go. Stay away from the mirrors. Jay, listen to me. Flatten out, create a base. Here you go. Okay, now, cross face, get your posture. Sit up, look towards the ceiling. Literally, sit up, look there, do this position. You have to look at the ceiling and do it though. Get your head out of there, sit up. Push off his chest and sit up. Sit up, okay. Elbows in his thighs. Elbows in his thighs, stop. Stop. Go to the middle. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Let's go.
Minute 15 left. Go. Gotta calm down in there, Jay. Too anxious. Pull him into the guard. Relax. You know the guard position, right? You learned some techniques from there, then go to the guard. Okay, now work. Relax. Work your techniques. Work your techniques. Work. That's nothing. That's nothing. He can't finish that while he's in between your legs. That's nothing.
No.
That's nothing.
I'm not gonna get up.
He can't finish. Lock your feet around his waist, Jay. There you go. Triangle. Finish that. Turn your hips. Turn your hips. Grab your shin. Turn your hips and grab your shin. Grab your shin. Other hand, grab your shin. Other hand, grab your shin. Trade hands. Yeah. Grab that wrist with that hand and grab your shin. Pull it down and lock it in. Pull it down, lock it in. Pull that arm across and pull his head. Pull that arm across and pull his head. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze your knees together. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Finish it. Finish it. You got the triangle mount. Finish it. Do an arm bar. There you go. Good job. All right, that's it. That's it.
That's it?
That's it.
Feel better.
Everybody give yourselves a hand.
Keep you in condition.
If you get caught in the back position, just work your way out of it.
Just go.
Let's go. There you go, Mondo. Lock your legs up. Omoplata. From there. Pull your ankle in front of his throat. There you go. Bring it around. Very good. Keep it in there. Beautiful rubber guard. You got all kind of stuff in here. Arm bars, chokes, sweeps. Beautiful. You shoot your hips around, you got an arm bar right now. You get your hips around. Think about it. Yeah, he's strong. Just relax. That's how you're going to counter their strength. Relax. You're going to be able to feel what he wants to do the way he does it. Keep working. Keep working. Keep working. Get your hips around. You got arm bar right there. Relax. Relax. Time.
Start.
You're gonna burn yourself out. Relax. These are just basic.
Damn.
You gotta finish that. Tap. Basic grappling match. 5 minutes. If you kept that up, any longer than that 2 rounds, you did that. And the only way you really gonna learn is to get that. It's okay to bring your back sometimes. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, that's especially on your back. I just went around from your back. Wrestlers compete to get on their back. Once they do, that's it. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu guys start there and master that so they're comfortable with it. Achilles lock if you're gonna do it, don't feel it. Flatten them out, do the cross side, don't worry about that, that ain't nothing but a hug. Get your good cross side position. Right. Like, that's what we're doing, up. You know, once you get tired, so flatten them out, get a good guard first. Flatten them out. Open them out. You're gonna give you his back, take it. You're giving you his back, take it. Take it.